Looking to earn $20 to $2,000 on Binance without any investment? Let's dive into some proven strategies. First up, the referral program. Share your link and earn a percentage of trading fees from users you bring in. The more they trade, the more you earn. Next, check out Binance's Learn and Earn. Complete lessons and quizzes to snag free tokens. It's a simple way to build your crypto stash. Don't overlook P2P trading. Buy low, sell high, and profit from price discrepancies directly with other users. You can also participate in airdrops. Just complete simple tasks and receive free tokens. If you're into staking, Binance Earn lets you earn passive income on your holdings. And with the affiliate program, you can boost your earnings by referring high-volume traders. Finally, explore DeFi projects on Binance Smart Chain for yield farming opportunities without upfront costs. Combine these strategies, stay active, and watch your earnings grow.